Needle makes deploying your Three.js projects to the web super easy. And in this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how it's done. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your Needle project to a folder, so it's ready for uploading to any web server. If you're new to Needle Engine, make sure to watch our Getting Started guide first, so you get accustomed to our workflows and samples. Let's open up the Build window by clicking this button in the Export info. Then press Build. After your project has been successfully built, a window showing the builds folder will open up. You can now upload these files to any web server. To locally preview your final build, you can use the Preview Build button at the bottom of the window. This button will first perform a regular build and then start a local server in the directory with the final files, so you can see what you get once you upload these files to your web server. So with that knowledge, you're ready to build and deploy your Needle Engine projects with ease. To learn more about Needle Engine, visit our website under needle.tools.